what's up, Munchy here. So when I did my video for the Moto X4 on how to install Lineage OS, I got a comment wherein it said that the audio quality was not good on the video. So I decided to do some research and buy myself a budget microphone because this is a new channel. So on doing extensive research, I found out that for a budget microphone, the Boya BY-M1 is the best bang for the price. So I went ahead and ordered this from Amazon, and I decided that I'm going to go ahead and do a small unboxing and review for you guys. So I got this for 15 bucks from Amazon. So right now I'm recording this on my Moto X4, and I will have to go ahead and enhance the audio quality so that it's louder in the YouTube video. But we will do a comparison between the Moto X4 mic and recording a video using the Boya BY-M1. So let's go ahead and do a little unboxing for you guys, and then we'll do a comparison test. So this is the box in which the Boya BY-M1 comes in. It's a lavalier microphone, and on the side it says that it works for smartphones, camcorders, DSLR audio recorders, PC, etc. Right? And on the back you have the features. It has a clip-on mic for smartphones, DSLR, camcorders, audio recorders, PC, etc. It's an omnidirectional condenser microphone. High quality condenser is ideal for video use, low handling noise, and in the box you have a clip, a LR44 battery, a foam windscreen, and a 1x4" adapter. So let's go ahead and open the box. So when you open the box, you have this leather pouch, and you have this notice which says for smartphone you have to make sure that the switch is on the smartphone thing, and if you're using it with your camera, then you have to put in the included LR44 battery and then toggle the switch to cameras. You also have this manual which is in English, and it gives you all the details on how to use it. We can keep these two things on the side and proceed further. So this is the leather pouch you get, and inside it is all the stuff you need. So you have some silica gel, throw it away. This is the mic, and these are the accessories you get with it. So you have the clip, you have the 1x4" adapter, and you have the foam, right? And as you can see, it's like you have a pretty big wire to go with it, and this is the actual microphone here. So the foam goes on top over here like so, and this clip, it in no way feels flimsy or anything, and the spring action is very good and tight. So this clip goes on over here so that you can clip it to your t-shirt or anything like that. And you also have the LR44 battery, which is needed if you're using this with a camera, a DSLR. So you unscrew this, and this is where the LR44 battery goes in. Now because I'll be using it with my Moto X4, I don't need a battery, so I won't be using the battery. And you also have a clip over here so that you can clip it to your pants or something. And this is the switch they were talking about. So right now it is in off, which means it will work on the smartphone, but if you wanted to use it with your cameras, you have to insert the battery and just toggle the switch like so. Alright guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and plug this into the Moto X4 and see how it works. Alright guys, so I was having some trouble with the default camera app on the Moto X4 detecting the microphone, so I had to switch to open camera. So right now I'm recording with open camera and I'm not using the mic. So this way we'll have a good comparison once I plug the mic in and change the audio source. So just hold on and I'll be back. Okay, so now I have the Boya BY-M1 lavalier mic plugged into my Moto X4 and I'm recording with that. So I'm pretty sure you can notice the difference in the voice quality and how amplified the voice becomes after attaching this mic. So all in all, I would say it is a pretty good deal. For 15 to 20 bucks you get this mic, and it's a no hassle mic. You just plug it in and make sure that you check whether your default camera app is detecting the microphone or not, and in case it is not, you can go ahead and use open camera. So I'll put a link to open camera in the description of the video, and I'll also go ahead and put a link to the Boya BY-M1 microphone in the description as well, so that if you guys have a new channel and you want a budget microphone for $15 to $20 to record good sound quality with your smartphone, you can go ahead and buy the Boya BY-M1. Alright guys, that's it for now. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it on social media, and give it a thumbs up. Alright, bye bye. See you when I see you.